Imagine this. You wake up one morning and suddenly there's a new AI in town, DeepSeek AI. People are whispering about it, calling it the next big thing. Some even claim it's better than ChatGPT. But here's the real question. Is it truly better? Or just another flashy copycat trying to ride the AI wave? Stick with me till the end because what I'm about to expose might just change the way you see AI forever. DeepSeek AI is making waves with its advanced natural language processing, boasting better responses, deeper understanding, and higher efficiency. Sounds great, right? But before you jump on the hype train, let's uncover what's really happening behind the scenes. Here's a thought. If DeepSeek is so advanced, why does it feel eerily similar to ChatGPT? We'll get to that in a moment. Let's not ignore the elephant in the room. DeepSeek AI seems to be a direct replica of ChatGPT. Verified articles have already confirmed that it's built on similar architecture, trained on nearly identical data, and even exhibits the same quirks. It's like showing up to a party wearing the same outfit as someone else and hoping no one notices. Awkward, right? But the real question is, if DeepSeek AI is just a copy, does it bring anything new to the table? Let's find out. Despite being a ChatGPT clone, DeepSeek AI does have a few tricks up its sleeve. It claims to generate more contextually relevant responses, handle long-form text better, and even improve coding capabilities. For example, some users have reported that DeepSeek gives more precise answers in programming and research-based tasks. But is that enough to dethrone the AI king? Or is it just a case of good marketing? Here's where things get interesting. DeepSeek AI isn't flawless. It struggles with creativity, often giving rigid and uninspired responses. It lacks widespread adoption, meaning fewer updates and a smaller community. It's still playing catch-up to OpenAI's ecosystem of plugins, tools, and API integrations. So, while it may have its strengths, there's a serious trade-off. Which begs the question, should you even use it? Let's be real. ChatGPT has been battle-tested, trained on superior models, and backed by a massive AI research team. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is a newcomer trying to prove itself. It's like comparing a street racer to an F1 car. Sure, both are fast, but one is clearly in a different league. But here's the plot twist. DeepSeek AI might still be useful for certain Instagram growth hacks, and that's where things get really exciting. Now let's talk about what really matters, your Instagram growth. Whether you're writing captions, scripting reels, or researching trends, an AI tool can be your secret weapon. While DeepSeek AI isn't the ultimate ChatGPT killer, it could still be useful for specific tasks like generating longer, more structured captions, analyzing Instagram trends with a different AI perspective, crafting AI-assisted outreach messages. But here's the kicker. You still need the right tools to dominate Instagram, and that's exactly what I'll show you next. Now that you know the truth about DeepSeek AI, the next logical step is mastering AI for Instagram growth. Want to learn how to create insanely eye-catching thumbnails using AI? Click on the video on your screen right now. Because in the world of social media, attention is everything, and the right I can give you the edge. See you in the next